In this video, we will fix the Trellis 2 model loading error, and after fixing it, we will generate this image to 3D model step by step. If you are getting a model loading error or any similar issue, you can solve it easily. Today I will show you how to update your ComfyUI installation and download the model correctly. If you have not installed ComfyUI Easy Install yet, you need to install it first. I will leave the tutorial link in the description. Go to your ComfyUI Easy Install folder. Open the folder where you installed it. Here you will see a file called Update Easy Install. Double-click this file. It will automatically update your installation. This may take a few minutes. Once it is finished, close this window. Now open the Add-ons folder. Here you will find the file Trellis 2 Required Torch 2.80. Run this file. It will install all required Torch and CUDA files. If any file is missing, it will fix it automatically. Once the installation is complete, close this window. Now download the file from the link in the description. Trellis 24B checkpoints downloader.bat. Download this file. After downloading, go to your downloads folder. Copy this file. Now, go back to your ComfyUI Easy Install folder. Open the add-ins folder. Paste the file here. Next, go to the models folder. Here you will see the old Microsoft folder. Delete this folder. Now go back to the ComfyUI Easy Install folder. Open the add-ins folder again. Run the file Trellis 24B checkpoints downloader. Simply double-click it. It will automatically download all Trellis models. You do not need to download anything manual. This will take some time because the models are around 15 to 16 GB. Do not open ComfyUI until the download is fully complete. Once it is finished, close this window. Now go back to the ComfyUI Easy Install folder. Run the Start ComfyUI Flash Attention file. This will launch ComfyUI in your browser. Wait a few moments. Now we need the workflow file. If you do not have it, the download link is in the description. Download the workflow file. I am using the high-quality mesh texture workflow. Simply drag this workflow file into the ComfyUI window. In the first node, import your image. Make sure your image is square, with a 1:1 ratio. Clean background will give better results. If your GPU has low RAM, enable the low RAM option. Now click Run to start the workflow. The first time you run it, it may download some extra files. Do not panic. Just wait for it to finish. You can see the download progress in the CMD window. Now the nodes are working. You can also check your GPU performance in Task Manager. Here you can monitor your memory usage. After a few minutes, your final model will appear in the last node. Now, let's test this model in Blender. Open Blender. Go to your model file. You will find it inside the ComfyUI folder. Then open the Output folder. Here you will see all generated files. Use the textured model file, usually around 80 MB. Simply drag this file into Blender. Switch to Material Preview mode. Now you can see your model is ready inside Blender. It is still not fully ready for animation. You will need to fix the topology for that. But we have already completed around 90% of the work in just a few clicks. You can also compare the original image with the generated 3D model easily. That's it for this tutorial. Now your ComfyUI should be working perfectly, and you can generate 3D models without errors. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more ComfyUI tutorials. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments. I will help you solve it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.